About half a barrel. We gonna be dry by the end of the week.
Ooh, I know a guy who, knows a girl who's with a guy who says they're transporting some Miami kingpin, some real badass moonshine dude.
Wait, you know a guy who knows a girl? Wow, you never...
Man, don't be trolling me like that. It breaks my concentration and gives me frustration.
Oh, come here, bro. Don't get mad. Come here, up it out.
Look, urban decay.
You a land friend? Ha! Justin.
Aye, we stop by Jack and Bear, borrow their chopper, and then...
Borrow? You thinking you might return?
Man, you know what I'm saying? It sounds better to say borrow.
So we borrowed a bird and then?
We hit the prison and bust out our moonshine.
Straightforward. I like it. Get to the chopper. We'll coordinate the getaway on the phone.
Suspect spotted!
It is good to be out. 5 years I've been in. Felt more like 50. Now, let me guess. In return for this, you or whoever the hell you work with want me to make moonshine for you. Well, as long as you've got a shack in the woods, a portable radio, and a couple of dirty magazines, I'm your fella. I was getting tired of Miami anyhow.
Oh, you got skills. Be nice to work together again. We'll holler.